I wish that was Pikachu. Yes, my wish will come true.
Pika, my wish came true. Pika. I wish SpongeBob was here. Pika. SpongeBob.
Pika! How's it been, man?
Pretty good.
Where you living?
Emerald City.
Where's Emerald City?
I don't know.
What the hell?
I don't know.
I'm going back to my pineapple now.
Bye.
Ooh, a wild Pikachu. Pokeball, go! Oh, crap. I see you winding and grinding up on that pole.
Pika.
Time for bed!
I don't want to go to bed. Pikabush. Okay, I go to bed now.